Okay, so again, follow the chart. 1, 2, 3, light, dark, and very dark. So that's three shades we're gonna use. Follow the one direction right now. Make sure you are holding pencil 45 degree and just go slowly. Make this area more darker. Same here. Make this area more darker here at the edge, and you just go down there. 45 angles means like you hold the pencil and hold it like this. This is 45. Not like this. Normally we use pencil like this, so not like 90 degree, right? It's like this. Okay, so its pencil is like this. You hold it and just hold it like this. So this give you around like 45 degree angle, and then go.